Hi, I'm Shanna with American Crafts, and we're here at Creativation 2020, and American Crafts has this new program called Elso Ink Shop, and it's custom inks where you can blend and make your own inks, and you can build your own pens. So I'm going to show you how to make a pen. So all of these items are available along with your individual ink bottles, but you can also buy open stock pens. So this is an empty pen barrel, and you have your bottom and your top, and then you'll need a reservoir and a nib. And I'm going to use one of our alcohol-based dye inks. We have all-purpose dye ink, mixing dye ink, alcohol dye ink, opaque ink, metallic ink, and mixing pigment ink. Our mixing inks were developed especially by our chemists so that they create beautiful custom colors. We have a mixing chart here that will help you blend the inks together to create what color that you desire. And we will have all of our colors available on our website when it is up and running. So it might look a little intimidating, but you take this, we call them filling tubes, and you just take up some of the ink here, and then you take your reservoir and you put it in, and you have to inject it into the reservoir because of the coating on the outside. It can't just be dipped into the ink. And you just fill it up just like this. I'm going to get a little bit more. Just stick it in the other side. So then,
twice now,
you just plop that into your pen barrel.
I'm so excited.
And then I have a brush nib. We have multiple nib or tip types. There's different tip kits that you can buy depending on what ink you're using, or all-in-one kit down there at the bottom. So you just stick it in just like this. And then I'm going to turn it like this, and you'll just see as the ink starts to flow down into the nib. It takes a minute. But while that is coming down, there's also a bunch of different accessories that we sell that just fit right onto the ink bottles. So you have a mister top that you can put on any of the ink bottles or any of your custom colored bottles. Spray it on a stencil. And perfect for card making. We also have dauber tops. Also can just go on any ink bottle, and you got a nice dauber. And there we go. Got your new pen.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.